Good looking truck.
I think I drank it all.
Already?
Yeah.
Maybe you ought to put some water in there and slush it around.
I was thirsty.
Me too.
I drank it all.
Good thing we got a large.
What?
Good thing we got a large. Probably ought to hang on to your cup.
That's what I do.
We'll get
Hey, Dad.
some water.
At the Henry Ford Museum, guess what?
What?
They had this. You could buy a cup for $5 and it was a refill.
Yeah.
And it was actual plastic. And the refills were free.
Uh-huh.
So I kept my cup and the
All right,
next
slow
time.
down, slow down. Studebaker.
The next time we went to the Henry Ford Museum, I got a free refill.
Oh, yeah. Because you kept your cup?
Yeah.
Nice.
Dad, see my purple one.
That's how you do it. I forgot to do that.
Hey, Dad, can we come back to this one?
Yeah. Yeah, get a cup off here.